The Diversity Visa 2026 lottery results will be on May 3rd, 2025. If you entered the DV Lottery 2026, the result will be released in next few days and if you've been selected for a chance to live and work permanently in the United States. If you have been selected, congratulations. Important scam warning. Remember, the U.S. government will never send you an email telling you that you won. You must check your status yourself through the official website at dvprogram.state.gov. Be careful. Do not send money to anyone who claims they can guarantee your visa or speed up the process. Always follow the official instructions only. The best way is to do it on your own. Please let me know if you need more help. Now here's what you need to do next. Step 1. Confirm your selection. Go to the official DV Entrant Status Check website and use your confirmation number. If you see the message that you've been selected, follow the instructions carefully. Step 2. Complete the DS-260 form. Log in to the Consular Electronic Application Center at ceac.state.gov/IV and click Continue using your case number. Fill out the immigrant visa application form for yourself and any eligible family members one by one. No visa fee needed at this time. When you're done, submit it and keep a copy of your confirmation page. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Gather important civil documents like your birth certificate, passport, police records, and marriage certificate. If you're married, high school diploma or equivalent. If your documents aren't in English, get them translated. Step 4. Wait for your interview appointment. Interview scheduling is based on your case number. Lower numbers get interviews earlier. Keep an eye on the monthly visa bulletin to see when your number becomes current. You will receive the 2 NIL from KCC with interview schedule, and it's time to complete your medical exam and police records. Step 5. Complete your medical examination. Before the interview, you must complete a medical checkup with an approved panel physician. The U.S. Embassy will send you instructions for this step. Your medical results, normally, the physician will send directly to the U.S. Embassy. Step 6. Attend the visa interview. Bring all required documents, your medical results, and be prepared to answer questions honestly. If you're approved, your passport will get the visa stamped. Step 7. Prepare for entry to the United States. After receiving your visa, pay the USCIS immigrant fee online. Then make sure you travel to the U.S. before your visa expires, usually within 6 months. Step 8. Receive your green card. After you arrive in the United States, your green card will be mailed to the U.S. address you provided. This is a life-changing opportunity. Stay organized, follow the instructions carefully, and don't miss any deadlines. Your American dream is closer than ever. Stay focused, stay cautious, and best of luck on your journey to a new beginning.